Do you want to crack any interview? With these 5 steps, you will be able to crack any interview. I assure you that. So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. I am your Sri Prasad and today we are going to discuss on how to crack any interview. So let's get started. Before getting into the video, let me tell you about myself. I have given 5 interviews until now, and of that 5 I have cracked all of them. And of that 5, 3 were the IT companies like TCS, Infosys and Infosys. So following these 5 steps, you will be also able to crack all of the interviews which you will be facing in your life. Step number 1. Know the company first. So before giving any interview, you must know overall things about the companies. Like who are the CEOs of the company, who is the CFO, who are the chairmen, who are the founders, and what are the production that takes place in the company, like what does the company gives the service about. So you must know all the factors related to the company. Second is know the round of interviews. So basically there are 3 types of rounds. First is aptitude test, second is GD, that is group discussion, third is PI, personal interview or HR round. So first is aptitude test. In aptitude test, basically you have to give a test on basic arithmetics, basic logical reasoning, analytical reasoning. And second is group discussion. So in a group discussion, you have to speak on a topic. Like they will give you a topic, they will provide you a topic, and in that topic you have to speak for at least 5, 10, 15 minutes depending upon the topic. Like in my case, I was given a topic, should it be compulsory to stand on national anthem. So likewise you will be also given a topic and you have to speak on that. Third is PI or personal interview. In PI or personal interview, an HR will be taking your interview and he will judge you on your communication skills, on your personality skills. So this was about the second, that is know the rounds. Number 3, carry an updated CV with yourself. So many of the students make this mistake that they don't carry a CV with themselves. And a CV must contain any important topics, like first comes the personal information, then comes the objective of the CV, then comes the personal affiliation interest, which will contain your hobbies. Next comes the accomplishment. In accomplishment, like all the webinars, all the seminars, all the certification course that you have did in your past, and like all the sports, like all the types of sport that you have to part. So it all must comes in accomplishment. Okay. And the next comes the educational background. Like for example, you are a BTech. The first will come the BTech, followed by the 12th and followed by the 10th. And also it must also contains the board, the year of passing and your percentage in your respective fields like 10, 12th and BTech. Number 4 is be honest while giving answers. So in many types of jobs, many types of roles, many types of designation, there is a condition that you have to work for a night shift. So if you are comfortable for night shift, then say yes. If you are not comfortable, then say no. So many of the students, they make this mistake. They say yes while giving the interview and afterwards they say no. So after joining the company, if you say no, it will be a very bad impression and the company may take a severe action against you. So always be honest while giving the interview. Fifth and the final step is do ask questions to the HR. So after completing all the process, all the formalities of the interviews, the HR will ask you, do you have any questions regarding to the interview or regarding to the company. So in that you have to ask the questions regarding to the roles, responsibilities, your duties in the company. And if you have any question regarding to your payroll, your C2C, you have to ask it. It will be beneficial for you in the future. So never ever hesitate to ask questions during an interview to the HR. It will always help you. So this was all about the today's video. And if you follow all these 5 steps, I'm sure and I guarantee you will be cracking all the interviews which you will face in the future. Thank you.